Greg says Joel sucks. Why don't you guys price your products? Not even on the website, you just lost a customer. Okay, bye Greg.
This is coming from Emerson. Tried to contact support. Too many issues with it. Lights are for sale, make offer. Tired of missing cables and not working like manual says. $1,000 wasted on 2 Tornado EXA light.
From Dave. The guy in charge of support, Bruce, was a major dick. If you're going to sell some shitty products, at least include a roll-up toilet paper. Well, Dave, what's your address?
Mike writes in, why does none of your website have prices? Well, Mike, to give you a basic explanation of that, we really prefer that you call your local dealer or an online dealer that can best satisfy you on your needs. They can give you the best price and actually help you choose the right product for your needs. Hence why we do not have pricing on the website.
Wow, that was very helpful.
Garrett writes in, why couldn't your last LDI booth look this cool? Period. We tried so hard, Garrett. We all worked long hours up against the deadline that we knew was impossible. And we failed. Oh, God.
Your PowerCon connections suck, Jeremy. PowerCon doesn't suck. It locks in place, it doesn't fall out. ICs suck. You suck.
How come you guys don't stand behind your products?
These videos are shit and do not help at all. Please fix this problem or I'll have to switch a software. What the hell does that mean?
Who's Randy?
We don't know.
This is from Randy. Randy makes a comment. Made in China. Go directly to the factory. Skip the middleman. Same warranty, if not better. Less than half the price. Secret's out. What are we gonna do now? Secret's out.